Hi, welcome to our fourth video, SQL for beginners. If you haven't looked at the previous videos, you can always go back and take a look. Then you come back and join me and let's move on with our journey for learning SQL. So I have already previously created these tables. So today we are going to look briefly at this command having. At times we mix it up with where. So after this video, you should be able to understand how to use this having command and where in the order of commands should it be. Okay, so let's just go straight and look at our table. So I'll just look at the staff salary table. Let's go to our normal select star from our staff salary table. Yes, run it. Okay, so we have the staff ID, the job title, the salary. Now let's do a group by here. Let's say we wanted to group by the job title. So say for example, receptionist appear here twice, receptionist here. So we want to group by job title to get the salary. So let's do a group by job title. Yes, and then now we also want to be able to get, say, the sum of the salary per job title. So we expect to see, say, this receptionist here was 50,000, this other receptionist was 35,000. So we expect the sum of 50,000 plus 35,000, 85 and more. So you should group all the receptionists and sum the salaries. So let's add it here. Let's do sum, and then we put our let's do sum, put our salary. Okay, now let's close that. Okay. So when we run it now, we get the group. Our table has been grouped by job title. So we see receptionist, as we saw, is now 85,000, the sum of all the receptionists. So we also have manager now 113. So let's just say we could still have selected just the necessary columns. We say staff ID, and then also the second thing we needed was job title. Just it there, job title. Then put back our sum, and then we could also give it an alias, some nice name. We could just say total, so salary, for example. Just about anything. Now let's run it. Okay, now it looks better. So we have our staff ID, our job title, and then our salary. Okay, so now normally, if say we want to get what how let's say we want to filter this data by saying we want all the salary that are above 100,000. So what we expect is to see just the manager and the care rep when we do the condition to say give us this table where total salary is above 100,000. So let's go. So the normal thing you would have done in the beginning is you would say select this from that, then you would say where. Now let's take this new name here, total salary, total salary. Then let me bring up this one here, the greater than sign here. So where total salary greater than, break it back down, 100,000. So let's run this and you see. So when we run this, we get nothing. Why do we get nothing? We get nothing because this where command is coming here before we group by the titles here. So remember, let me just uncomment this one here so you can see better. So let me uncomment. Let's run it. So you see here, this is saying it selects the staff ID, job, total salary, and then now from this table, yes. Now what is the next thing it has to do first? It has to first group by the job title. So when you bring in this where total salary is greater than 100,000, this is where it's even coming before the group by. So it has not yet done this group by to receptionist 85,000 before you filter it now under after this group by that you filter it by 100,000. So what you might be thinking is, okay, why didn't we just put this like this? For example, bring this one down here, cut here, and then bring it now down here and say, okay, after you group by, you run the where, but then if you run it, you see you get an error. The error is that the where cannot be below the group by. This SQL always has the order of statements. There's the select, there's the from, there is the where, there is the group by, there's the order by. So that's the order. So that is where now what comes to your rescue is the having command. So that is when you use your having. You say select star from this table, group by this, and then after that group by, verify if that group by is having this condition. So let's run this, and now you see we get our required results, which is all the job titles that are above 100,000 after the sum has been applied to each of these job titles. So thanks for watching this video, and I hope you understand clearly the difference between where and having, and see you next video.